If your paycheck went up by $1,000 per month, would your life actually change? Or would your spending quietly change instead? There is one simple rule that separates people who build real investing momentum from people who earn more and still feel stuck. And it has nothing to do with which ETF you buy. In this video, I'm going to show you the $1,000 paycheck rule, why it quietly builds wealth faster than almost any strategy, and how beginners can use it with simple ETFs inside Fidelity to completely change their investing timeline. In this video, you're going to learn why earning more money does not automatically build wealth, how a simple rule tied to every raise changes your future curve, how small monthly increases turn into massive long-term differences, and how to automate this rule using a basic Fidelity investing setup. Most people believe their financial future will improve once their income increases. But something strange happens. As income rises, expenses rise with it. Bigger apartment, better car, more subscriptions, more convenience, and the investing number barely changes. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly kills investing momentum. The rule is extremely simple. Every time your take-home pay increases by $1,000 per month, you permanently redirect a fixed portion of that increase into investments. Not later, not after you upgrade your lifestyle. Immediately. The raise never fully becomes spending power. It becomes investing power. This rule works because it removes negotiation with yourself. You do not decide whether to invest more. You decide once. Future raises automatically upgrade your portfolio instead of your lifestyle. Raises feel temporary. You want to enjoy them. You want to feel progress. But the first few months after a raise are the most powerful investing opportunity you get, because your lifestyle has not adjusted yet. Your cash flow is clean. That window closes quickly. Let's say you receive a $1,000 per month increase in take-home pay. If you follow the rule and invest just $500 of that raise every month, you add $6,000 per year to your investing engine, without changing your job, without changing your ETF strategy, without changing your risk. Most beginners spend their time searching for better ETFs, but increasing contributions produces far more impact early than optimizing returns. A better ETF might improve your return by 1%. A better contribution habit can double your investing speed. Let's look at simple numbers. If you invest an extra $500 per month into broad market ETFs for 30 years, that alone can grow into more than $300,000. Just from one raise, just from one rule, just from one decision. Now imagine you apply this rule 3 times in your career. 3 raises. $500 redirected each time. That becomes $1,500 per month added to your investing engine. That behavior is worth millions over a lifetime. This rule feels uncomfortable because it delays visible lifestyle upgrades, but it creates invisible financial upgrades, and invisible upgrades compound. People wait for stability, they wait for certainty, they wait for the perfect moment. But investing speed is not created by timing. It is created by capturing surplus cash before it disappears. Once spending expands, it rarely contracts. But investments do not demand upgrades. They quietly scale. This rule builds a permanent buffer between your income and your lifestyle. It changes how you see raises. Raises stop being permission to spend more. They become tools to grow faster. Small monthly increases drastically shorten your path to major milestones. Your first $100,000, your first $300,000, your first compounding phase. This rule is one of the fastest legal ways to compress your investing timeline. When your portfolio is small, returns barely move the needle, but contributions completely control the curve. This rule focuses on the only lever you fully control. Inside your Fidelity brokerage account, you simply increase your automatic monthly investment every time your income increases. You do not redesign your portfolio. You do not change ETFs. You only scale your deposits. Your strategy stays stable. Your volume grows. If you try to remember to invest raises manually, you will fail, because spending adapts faster than discipline. Automation protects your intention. Most people think wealth comes from finding better opportunities.
In reality, wealth usually comes from upgrading your behavior at the right moments. Raises are those moments. If you apply this rule early in your career, your later compounding becomes dramatically stronger. Early contribution upgrades echo for decades. The $1,000 paycheck rule is not about money. It is about direction. Every raise either upgrades your lifestyle or upgrades your future. Very few people choose both. If your income increases in the future, decide today what you will do with that money. Do not wait for the raise to arrive, because once your lifestyle absorbs it, your investing opportunity disappears. The fastest way to build wealth is not finding better investments. It is capturing more fuel for the engine you already have. And the $1,000 paycheck rule quietly turns every raise into a permanent advantage.